If you're looking for the secret to starting a successful side hustle, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you the secret that's allowed me to sell close to $10 million of print-on-demand products online. Make sure you stick around to the end because the one bonus secret I've got for you will completely change the game for you. This forms part of the method that I teach all my students in the Pod Hacks Accelerator, which is my coaching program for print-on-demand to create a $5,000 to $10,000 plus per month print-on-demand business in as little time as possible. But if you want to check that out, make sure you click the first link in the description below and then check out this secret. So the best way to illustrate this was to create a bit of a presentation style video. So what we've got here is the guide to creating a successful side hustle. So first up, a term that you need to become familiar with is rifle focus. And the reason for that is when we can picture looking through that scope, the answer comes to us very, very quickly. What we're looking to do online is make money. So with that rifle focus, we're able to do just that. But the problem is without it, in this day and age and on social media, we are bombarded with all the different opportunities. We've got YouTube automation, drop shipping, faceless social media, there's PLR ebooks, there's Amazon FBA, all sorts of things. And then you've got print on demand as well. The problem is, where do you start? I mean, if you're anything like me, you see opportunity in each one of those, but you're like, well, I just don't know which one has the best opportunity. The thing is, you can be successful with all of them, but only if you use that rifle focus. Otherwise, we're just going to suffer from that shiny object syndrome and be sitting on the sidelines still waiting to take action on something. And that's the first thing we need to do. We actually need to take action. So with this rifle focus, what we need to do is choose one particular vehicle, which in this case, I'm choosing print on demand because that's where I've had the majority of my success. And through looking at that rifle focus, we can only see print on demand. Then it removes everything from our peripheral vision. And we have to keep in mind that we need to keep that rifle focus. Whenever we look to see that, someone's crushing and drop shipping, we need to remember our vehicle is print on demand and put that rifle focus back onto it. And then once we've committed to that, we need to keep using that rifle focus because when we get stuck into print on demand, we will see there's so many different opportunities for where we can actually sell the products that we create. We've got Shopify, we've got Facebook with paid marketing, we've got Amazon, eBay, TikTok. There's so many platforms and we've got Etsy. And if you're looking for one of the low-cost ways to start a side hustle this year, Etsy is by far the best choice. And then with the rifle focus, if we focus just on Etsy, it gets rid of every other platform from our peripheral vision, allowing us to learn all we need to learn about this one particular platform. We can learn how to optimize our listings, how to create designs that emotionally connect to our audience to help them convert into customers. When we can do that, again, it removes all the unnecessary, the wheel spinning to allow us just to focus on what is going to make us the most money fast. And then from there, we also have all these different products. Now, without rifle focus, when we're on Etsy, what happens is we see all these different products that can make us money as well. We've got mugs, wall art, blankets. There's all sorts of different products we can sell. If you can print on it, we can typically sell it with print on demand. So again, we need to be able to focus on one particular product type. Now, the way I've been able to sell millions of dollars worth of apparel, or millions of dollars worth of jewelry, or hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of metal art and sneakers is by focusing on that one product type at that time. And with that rifle focus, that's exactly what I'm talking about. So when you focus on apparel, it removes everything else so you can put all your time and energy into creating products for that particular product. You need to learn the design style. You need to learn what connects with people over on Etsy. It gives you so much more freedom to know that you're just working on that one product. Again, helping you to remove that spinning wheel, that second guessing, so you know exactly what you're doing when you've got the time to dedicate to your business. But from there, when you've chosen your product, guess what happens? We've got all these different niches we can focus on as well. We could go into bikers, or we could have a printed glass store niche, or we could go into hockey or military or cottagecore. There are so many different niches. And by the way, if you want a 1,000 plus niche list guide, you can get that from the link in the description below just to get you started, not so you can focus on all of them. But here, what we want to do is apply that rifle focus again to the niche that we've chosen. In which case, for me, this is the first responders. So now what I've got and what I've been able to do, and what the secret is to creating a successful side hustle is that focus, that rifle focus, the one vehicle, the one platform, the one product, and the one niche, with all that focus going into creating designs for that niche on that product, on that platform. That is how you're going to find the success in whatever vehicle you choose to follow much faster, because you remove everything else, all the noise, to help you just focus on what truly matters. Now, by being able to be this focused and that disciplined over the past 10 years, I'm now in a fortunate position where I'm actually coaching students just like you start, grow, and scale their print-on-demand business to those $5,000 to $10,000 plus months and beyond in as little time as possible. On the screen here, you can see a ton of different screenshots of mine. I've got a lot more from the success over the past 10 years. Now, I'd love to see you with your own screenshots on here as well. I want your screenshots to be better than this. So if you want to check out the Podax Accelerator and get coached by me, someone that's sold close to 8 figures online, make sure you check out the Podax Accelerator from the first link in the description below. And what you'll do, you'll apply for the call. You have a quick conversation with me on the call, and if it's the right fit, we'll get you enrolled, and then away you go. You get to learn the exact step-by-step blueprint to creating those $5,000 to $10,000 plus months. But until then, if you want to learn more about print on demand, make sure you watch this video next. Stay awesome.